Post processors can make or break every program, because the truth is, if the code won't post properly, nothing that happened in CAM even matters. Typically, the solution here is to spend a lot of money on a fully customized post that works on your machine, and then rinse and repeat if you have more than one type of machine. We decided to approach things a little differently. Fusion 360 comes with over 100 free and editable post processors for the most common machines and controllers in the industry. If one of those options doesn't cut it, there's also a searchable online library where you can sample and download even more posts, including some machine-specific posts to get the most out of their capabilities. If you do find that you need post edits, the Post Processor Forum will connect you with Autodesk Post staff and other users to help you find solutions quickly. If you decide that paid customization is the way to go, there's a list of partners who can provide that service. Once you get the right post, store it in the Cloud Assets library, so it is always available every time you log into Fusion. No more forgetting that it was on that other shop computer. Fusion 360's modern architecture means code posts fast. Even long and complicated programs are posted in a matter of seconds, so you can spend time where it counts. All this and more in Fusion 360.